So I've got everything prepared for the Roomba session. Start the Roomba. Then I put that charging station away. I always charge it right before I use it to get the maximum amount of energy out of that charge, because it hasn't had time to decharge over time. Move that table out of the way so I can vacuum right there in front of the sofa. Perfect. That boy, Roomba. I'm not sure I make it through here. It's kind of a question. Okay, I've put the room divider here. Try to force them to go through my channel here because I got fuzzies at the end of the carpet and it takes those hair up into the brush, so I had to cover that up. Let's just put this thing here. Let's go, come on. Got two dividers right now, so it doesn't know what to do. Okay. Let's go, Roomba. Alright, he's going to get through that. Go through that thing. I don't know why he didn't go through it. Come on. Go across the bridge, Roomba. I've got my bag ready to go, so I can leave the apartment. There you go. There you go. Attaboy, Roomba. Attaboy. All that. That's good. So I'm going to put this one back. Got a piece of wood as a barrier for all that, but I still put the electronic divider there as a double backup. Here's the bridge. And the glass panel walk-in shower. You definitely want to put a divider there to block that so it doesn't hit that thing. And I got that divider here going across here so it doesn't hit the heaters. Can you try the bridge again? Attaboy, Roomba. Go get him. Why did you turn back? There you go. Come on. Having trouble with that thing for some reason. I don't know why. Sometimes if a divider is close by, it'll confuse it. That's there to protect the fridge.